What's up, y'all? What's up? TGIF. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I welcome you, pumps, and thank you for coming by. While you're here, if you're looking at my beautiful face, why don't you go ahead on and subscribe? Hit that subscribe button and get on down with your girl. All right? And while you're here, also go ahead on and like, share, and comment. Is always appreciated. Anyways, I'm coming here today because I am going to show you guys how I'm making my lip gloss. It's not my first batch because I have a couple lip glosses already out that are moving, and you know, people are purchasing and showing their support. Yes, I say moving and purchasing because, as I've mentioned before in my last video, that I am starting my lip gloss business. Yay! I'm so excited. I am birthing my baby every day. It's so creative. I love it, and I am enjoying what I'm doing. I've always been about lip gloss, so this is not even like work. It's very fun to do. It's very creative, and I enjoy it. My lip gloss line is called Plump Girl Lip Gloss LLC, and it is catered to plus size women, y'all. It is catered to plus size women. Don't get me wrong, all women can buy my lip gloss, but I am a plus size woman. I am a plump size woman. I no longer say plus size. I'm a plump size woman, so therefore I don't see a lot of things. Of course, like now we have like our fashion, you know, moving on up, but I don't see a lot of things that are catered to us. And because that is me, I want to do that. So feel free, if you're not a plus size woman, to buy my product. You know, it's all appreciated, and I love everyone, but I'm going to cater my business, my lip gloss business, to plus size women. And while doing so, all of my lip gloss names will be, you know, fun and kind of seductive, and it's gonna, you know, have plus size words in it. Let's see, it's gonna be, I have a lip gloss that's called Fat Beach, and it's based on just like, you know, as a woman of plus size, plump size, that, you know, you've heard that before. You know, some man then got mad because you done swerved on them, and what are you gonna say? You know, we all fine, we beautiful out here, so what are you gonna say? Oh, you fat? Exactly. So yeah, I have one that's called Fat Beach, and it is a blue lip gloss, lightly sprinkled with silver glitter, as well as it is on my lips now. And it's very clear. You'll see the sprinkles, if you can see close up, on my lips. But also, you know, it's a blue lip gloss, and it is fruit punch, tropical punch flavored. And I chose that because it's the beach. When you think of beach, when you think of tropical, you think of beaches, sand, and that was just my goal with it. So that's just one of the fun names that I had for my lip gloss. So I hope you guys do scroll on down to the description box and click on my Instagram page and go check out my glosses and support your girl. All right, so anyways, today I'm going to be making a sparkled glittery lip gloss. I don't have like a clear sparkle lip gloss, so that's what I wanted to do today, to add to my list of lip glosses that I have. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to let you guys come along with me, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm back. I just already washed my hands, but now I just sanitized my hands really good. And give me a second so I can get my gloves on. All right, so I have a little bag, clean trash bag here for my area, because you know, all of you guys know how messy it can be making your gloss. So here's what we got. I have my clean bowl. I have my mixing utensil, which is a spoon, and I have my syringe that's still packaged. I have my oil which I kind of already like mixed up with all of the natural oils that I normally use. Grapeseed oil, castor, vitamin C, and coconut oil is all mixed in. And with this particular gloss, I am going to flavor it. Can you see it? Where am I at? I'm flavoring it coconut, and I am making a glitter gloss. So I am using this gloss right here, the Ultra Sparkle Glitter. I did purchase on Amazon, and I have, like everyone, my lip gloss base from TKB Trading. And I guess we are ready to get started, as well as I have already taken out the package. I assumed I'm going to be making or using 3 pipettes. All right, so I'm going to sit this down here and let's get our base in. And today I plan on using and once I'm going to show y'all my tubes as well. Just one moment. I like to make sure I do it all. And I have my tubes here, and I'm going to show you guys in a video I attached that I sanitized them all. I put them in antibacterial wash, and I've cleaned and they dried, and that's why they're in a clean bowl waiting to be filled with this greatness right here that I'm about to make. I don't even think I'm going to use all of this. I think I'm going to just use that amount. I'm just going to stir this around a little bit. All right, y'all. So I guess without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Let's go ahead and start adding our oils in to get this stuff right and smooth. This is my favorite part. My favorite part, because the lip glosses that I made before, oh my goodness, I love the consistency of them. They came out perfect because I'm a lip gloss junkie. So if anyone need to be making lip gloss, it's me. And I should have been making lip gloss a long time ago. But who knew? I'm kind of using a pipette to get the oil in, just kind of for video sake. But a lot of times I kind of be a little bit more freely with it. But I'm just, because someone may be looking that has never done it before. So I'm going to use my pipette for that sake. Okay, y'all, so I think I have it at a good consistency. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more oil though. Like this is like the longest process, I think, because if you have a desired, you know, consistency you prefer, then, you know, you're not gonna stop until you get it to that, you know, to your liking. Everything else is kind of the easy part, I think. I like my stuff to like my gloss. See, when they kind of like break up, then I feel like it's not ready. But it doesn't matter, because it doesn't matter how much oil you're putting into it, as far as I'm concerned, because I'm using all natural oils that have been researched that is good for your lips. So it's, you know, it couldn't hurt you to have, I think we've made it now. It couldn't hurt you to have, you know, more of those. So let me get my other spoon, because, well, I'm going to add let me get my other pipette rather, because I'm going to add my flavoring in with another clean pipette. And again, this is coconut. And I just made a mess, y'all. So I post this, put this wig in there. I'm real heavy-handed with the smells. I cannot lie. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells so good. All right. Oh my goodness, y'all. This smells so freaking good. Like, oh my goodness, this coconut is awesome. It smells bomb. Now I'm just trying to add this Ultra Sparkle glitter. Oh, oh. Oh, did I add too much? Look at it, y'all. Let's get that all mixed up. It's so pretty. Look at it sparkle. I'm almost spilling it. I guess if y'all was really live, I need to go live. Y'all could have been helping a sister out. All this gloss would have been. Everything is sanitized though, but we don't want it to fall. Next place we want this to go is to the tubes. This is pretty. Oh my goodness. I thought I would have to like gauge the sparkle, but I see I put enough in the very first time. And here you guys go. This is what I'm using. And I just really used 1 spoonful. So I think this, any other time when I use the other type of glitters, I'm using way more than that. But this was all I needed, as you guys can see.